Hello guys, today's recipe is chicken adobo. So let's talk about the ingredients. Of course, it's chicken, the main ingredient. Garlic, tablespoon of sugar, bay leaves, soy sauce, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I have here black pepper, ground black pepper, water, and I will also add a little bit of tomato sauce. Apple cider vinegar, potatoes, carrots, capsicum, of course. Let's start. Medium heat only. I didn't include oil because the chicken skin is oily, so that is the oil in this cooking from the chicken skin. You can see the oil coming out of the chicken skin. Add the garlic. Onion. Add the bay leaf, sugar, ground black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, water, and I'll cover this. Hey Google, set timer 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And that's starting now.
Okay. Put the potatoes. Tiny bit of tomato sauce. That's it. Stir it. See, now it has color to it. In 3 minutes time, I'll put the carrots. Eat. Bon appetit. Let's eat. My chicken adobo is ready. Bay leaf. Mm.